so many couples come to me after trying to conceive for more than a year. And सबसे पहला question what I ask is, क्या husband के test हुए हैं? And almost 9 out of 10 people say no. The research tells us that it's almost that 50% of the cases are due to the male factor. The main challenge is the male factor. And so whenever it's not a small number, it's like every second couple who's coming with infertility is facing that challenge. The semen analysis is only a small non-invasive test. It takes only one appointment and a small test which takes 48 hours to get the report. So this tells us we are looking at the half of the picture. And if in case हम starting से husband और wife दोनों के test कराते हैं, we'll have all the reports sooner, we'll start the treatment sooner, and इतने months का जो waiting होता है वो सब नहीं रहेगा. So we must test both of them together. They are very common myths in the families that the woman is responsible for infertility, let her get the test done. It's not like that. The reality is almost 50% of the problems are due to the men factor. The other one is let the woman get all the tests done and we'll get the man get tested later. हम बाद में करा लेंगे. उससे क्या है, बहुत महीने वेस्ट हो जाते हैं, बहुत years वेस्ट हो जाते हैं. It's better if you both come together and the waste of time is not there. In my 20 years of experience, I would say getting both the partners testing together ये बहुत बड़ा time saver है and इससे हमारे बहुत time save होता है and the results come sooner. If in case you're planning pregnancy and you're facing any kind of challenge, please come over. We'll check you both and we'll plan your treatment together. We'll all decide together and we'll have the results sooner.